on number 3, my first step is going to be to isolate the radical. So I want the radical to be the only thing that's on that side. So I'm going to add 3 to both sides. So this will be x plus 3 is equal to square root of 3x plus 7. So now I want to get rid of the square root. So I want to square this side, and then I need to square both sides to keep it legal. So on the right hand side, this just removes the square root. On the left hand side, x plus 3 squared, that is a hidden FOIL problem because that's the same thing as saying x plus 3 times x plus 3, which is x squared plus 6x plus 9 is equal to 3x plus 7. So now I want to get everything onto one side and then factor. So x squared plus 3x plus 2 is equal to 0. And then if I factor that, it's going to be x plus 1, x plus 2 is equal to 0. So x plus 1 is equal to 0, x plus 2 is equal to 0, x is equal to negative 1, x is equal to negative 2. But before I circle them, I do need to check. So if you go to your calculator and you type in the left-hand side of your original equation in y1 and the right-hand side in y2, I mean, you don't have to do it in that order. If you want to put the right-hand side in y1 and the left-hand side in y2, you can, but either way will work. And then type in negative 1, and then you get the same two numbers there. So negative 1 is a solution. And then you get the same two numbers here. So negative 2 is a solution. It doesn't happen very often, but sometimes all 3 columns match up, like in this case. But that doesn't have to happen. It's only these 2 columns that need to match for this to be a solution. So both of these are solutions.